Okay, so we're back here at Red Hill Cutlery and we're talking with Greg. And one of the things that I wanted to discuss is value versus price and how you don't always have to pay an arm and a leg for a great knife. And with so many options that are out now, they're making some really great stuff
Oh
for
yeah.
really affordable prices.
Oh
So,
yeah.
what do we have on the table here?
So this is the Sencut. I forget the exact name of the flipper. I'm probably gonna butcher the name, but it was Bakel Bo. I know it started with a B. But it's 48 bucks. D2 steel, G10 handles, liner lock. Just classic work knife. That's not a collector's item. That's not anything fancy. That's not something you put in a showcase. That's something you put in your pocket, take it to the job site, and beat the crap out of it because it's 50 bucks.
Right.
This is zero tolerance. It's one of their flippers. It is 0545 is a model number on that. Titanium handle, carbon fiber handle scales on that. Magna cut blade steel, just the whole 9 yards. American made and everything, fully warranted. It is over 5 times as expensive as this one. That one is $274.95,
Wow.
as opposed to the $48.95 on this. So, for 5 times the price, are you really getting 5 times the value out of that, or is it kind of like fashion where you're just paying more for a brand name?
Right. And the materials and whatnot.
Yeah, don't get me wrong. It's a great knife, great materials that will. Yeah, see, it's
Yeah, it almost a little sticks a little bit.
just a little bit with the
I feel
frame
like it
lock.
will
Yeah,
work out though if you carried it. But yeah, I
yeah.
mean, honestly, no knock to ZT. But if I had to choose between these two, I'd probably go with this
Yeah,
one.
if you're looking to, I mean, this can take probably twice as much beating as this,
Right,
but it's 5 times as expensive. So you can buy 5 of these
right.
and just destroy them when
Yeah, and honestly, if I paid that much for this, I probably wouldn't be beating the crap out of it in a factory somewhere outside or digging in the dirt with it. I'd probably have it in a display case somewhere. I mean, it's so pretty, you almost don't want to abuse it or screw it up.
Now,
I
there
mean,
is
I'm
some
sure it
truth.
would take it, but
Yeah, there is some truth to the idea of buy once, cry once.
right,
Like,
right,
you get something quality, it's gonna last. This is gonna last. But
yeah.
if you lose your knives all the time, you don't want to. It's not the best investment for you.
Right. It's insane how light that is. I mean,
It
that
is,
is
yeah.
featherweight.
It's a great knife.
Yeah.
It's just got a really hefty price tag.
Yep.
And then these two, it's even more of a difference. This one is like $27, $28.
And this is Ontario.
That's Ontario. It's the Ice Wraith. You did a giveaway on that one a while ago,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
believe. This is Spartan Blades. This is their smaller edition, their Harzy folder, $415. Now, titanium handle, S45 blade steel, all American made, fully worn, like the whole 9 yards,
Oh yeah.
but $415.
Yeah. That's super smooth too. That just, I mean,
Yeah, it's smoother, it's tougher.
right.
I mean, this handle, a handle like this, it's going to crack eventually.
Yeah.
It's not going to last you forever.
Yeah. This is, you could be buried with this thing and it's still going to be.
Oh yeah. But if you're just looking for a knife to do some work,
Mm-hmm.
you really want to spend $400 on it.
Right. Yeah. I feel like it's just a matter of preference, but
Yeah,
like you
it
said,
is.
you can. What was this? 400 and something
415.
versus $25.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah. So it's just a value versus price comparison. That's just what people are up to.
if you want that extra 10% from your knife and you really want to get everything out of it, then
Yeah.
you're going to have to pay for it.
Oh yeah, for sure. And they got the jimping built into that. I mean, it feels great in the hand.
Very well designed, very well
For
thought
sure.
out. It feels better, looks better, tougher, stronger, sharper. It's better than this knife in every imaginable way, but
Right.
almost 20 times the price tag.
So you know what? For anybody watching at home, you should probably get both. Get an expensive one to put away and keep nice, and then get a cheap one to beat the crap out of. That's, I mean, I feel like that's pretty
Just
reasonable.
compromise. Yeah, just get them both. Why not?
Just get them both. Call it a day. And these are all at Red Hill Cutlery, so definitely check them out. With Christmas right around the corner, any of these would be a great gift. So give them a look. Thanks.